Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop collecting web push subscribers here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, log into your Omnisend account. Now, go ahead over to the left panel. Now click on Store Settings, okay? Just click on it, and once done in this panel, go ahead and find Push Notifications. Click on it, and once it loads, you'll be able to see your push notifications, okay? And you will have a slider right here. So what you'll do to stop collecting is just go ahead and click on that slider, and it will be turned off. So what will happen after you stop collecting subscribers or stop collecting web push subscribers? Well, customers who have already subscribed will remain on your list and will continue to receive any scheduled push notification campaigns, okay? And for the new visitors, the prompt to collect new web push subscribers will no longer be displayed on your website. Also, if you are on a paid plan, okay, stopping this one right here can prevent new standalone push contacts from counting toward your billable contacts. However, existing contacts will still be counted. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.